Suppose here one charge capital Q is present. Now in the surrounding region this will generate the electric field in outward direction because it is the positive charge. Now we want to move this small q charge from this point R to this point P. For that, what amount of work required? We want to find that quantity of work. So this small q charge is positive and this capital Q is also positive. This capital Q generate the electric field kq by r square at a distance r from this charge. So in this electric field, this will experience a force F is equal to Q into E. This is positive charge, so this will experience a force in the direction of electric field, and the direction of electric field due to this plus Q is in the outward direction, so it is in this direction. Now in this part from R to P, the electric field is varying. Why? The distance of point from this charge is varying from R to P. So electric field is varying. So you cannot calculate the work directly. So consider a small displacement here, that is dr. In this small displacement, you can consider the electric field as a constant. Suppose this displacement dr is at a distance r from this charge. So at this point, the electric field is kq by r square. Now the force experienced by this electric field is in the direction of electric field. So the force exerted on this small q is in the direction of electric field, that is equal to Q into E, that is in this direction, force due to electric field. But to move this charge, you have to apply external force, that is just similar to force due to electric field but in the opposite direction. So you have to apply the external force in this direction, and the magnitude of external force is similar to force due to electric field. So that is equal to also kq by r square. So the work done for this small displacement dr, you can write dw is equal to force, external force, F dot d is the formula for work done, force dot displacement. So for the small displacement dr, the work done is F external dot dr. So that is equal to F external is in the opposite direction of electric field, force due to electric field. So you can write this as a negative of force due to electric field dot dr. So force due to electric field is equal to Q into E dot dr. So for the total work done, you have to integrate the work done for these small displacements. So integrate this dw, you will get the work done to move charge Q from R to P. So limit is R to P. So work done is equal to minus Q E dot dr. So work done by external force in moving charge in electric field is integration of minus Q E dot dr. So you have to remember this formula. You are moving the charge from R to P. So limit is position vector of R to position vector of P. Right? Now you must remember one important point. That point is this work done in moving charge in electric field is independent of path. Independent of path. It means what? If you take this charge from R to P straight, or you can select the path like this, or you can take the charge in this path. The work done in all these three paths are similar. If you calculate the work done in all these three paths that are similar. So work done is independent of path. It is depend only the initial and final position. Right? So you have to remember this point also, and you have to remember the formula of work done by external force in moving charge in the opposite direction of electric field, that is equal to minus QE dot dr. Right?